The incident injury report is quite popular, and today we are going to look at this type of report in detail. Welcome to Creative Writing with Miss Rhea and the Creative Writing Institute, and let's get straight into this topic. So the question says, while playing a game of football, a student kicked the ball and hit an infant student. Write a report to your class teacher about the incident. So of course we have to analyze our question so that we are on target with what is needed for our response. So while playing a game of football, so that's a key point, a student, persons involved, kicked the ball and hit an infant student. So infant student is persons involved again. Key point, kick the ball and hit the student. It will also tell us the type of report, that it's an incident injury report. Write a report to your class teacher being the audience about the incident. So from the question, we would get key information as to how our response should be in our writing. Now we have our 5-paragraph format, which gives us a detail into what each paragraph should have in terms of information. So paragraph 1, date, time, location, audience. Paragraph 2, this is before. So this is how and why the incident took place. And one of the things that we'd have to put here is the location. So the location wasn't explicitly stated in the question. So in our paragraph 2, we would say where the students were playing football and use your directions: adjacent to, opposite, behind, the western side of the school. So that information comes here. And how did it take place? So it was observed that the standard 5 students were playing football when student A kicked the ball, which came in contact with the infant student. And then after that, you would have the injuries observed at this point, who assisted, what first aid was given, and called for paramedics and parents. Paragraph 4, the arrival of the paramedics. So they would examine the student, place him on a gurney and transport for further medical attention. When paragraph 5, the outcome of this incident will be based from the medical report, where the medical report can tell us that the student had a concussion, that the student had a broken or fractured or sprained ankle, leg, or wrist. So that comes in the medical report. So I hope that this gives you a very clear structure and flow for your information should you have to write a report on an incident of an injury.